know, this is my 2018 Mercedes-Benz AMG GT R. For those who don't know, the AMG GT R platform is a mid-engine V8 twin-turbo with a rear-mounted transaxle. The transmission in the car is actually the same as that as in the McLaren 720S. So the clutches and everything drop right in from a 720 to the AMG. It's got rear-wheel steering, it's rear-wheel drive. My car has Keller Performance downpipes and a DME Stage 2 tune. It's probably closer to 700-ish crank horsepower, give or take. Some cool features about the car besides the four-wheel steering. The rear wing is actually adjustable, so you can adjust the bolts to adjust the angle. It's got 3 exhaust tips. So you've got one exhaust tip here, you've got your center, and then another one over there. These vents are for the rear transmission and transaxle for their coolers. And then it's just a swoopy angled car. Everyone always talks about how long the hood is, but because it's mid-engine and because I've got this amazing carbon fiber hood from CMS Tuning, you can look in and you can see that this is the back of the engine bay. Those are the turbos, and then that's one of the covers for the accessories, but the motor is physically here. So if you look, it's behind the front wheels, which makes the mid-engine. It's got amazing turn-in, big brakes, sticky tires, and the look of the car, when you see it from the front, is amazing. You can see just how aggressive the grille is, the headlights, all the vents. It's got active cooling at the very bottom of the car, so those vents will open up when it's super hot if you're doing a track day or in track mode. It's just an impressive car. From the inside, you'll find that it's got everything you expect in a Mercedes, like the bucket seats that are heated. The steering wheel, Alcantara, your center console with all your controls here. It's just an aggressive car that when you get in the car and you actually sit in it, you feel super duper comfortable. Push to start. We'll put the car into race mode. Race mode opens up all the exhaust valves. It puts it into manual mode for driving so that you can drive the car as aggressively as you choose to. This button here is the traction control. You can actually adjust it up and down by percentages, so from 1% to 100% for as much or as little traction intervention for the control that you want. That being said, let's go. Take a quick ride and see how she does. Gonna wait for some of the traffic here. We got some vehicles coming, so we're gonna sit here and wait that truck out for a little bit because we don't want to really trail the truck. It's probably going to go very slowly, so we'll wait that out for a little bit. So we're probably going to catch this guy, but it is what it is. So here we go. The car has an aggressive exhaust. That's the factory exhaust. Other than the downpipes, that's how it comes from the factory. The pops and bangs. When I did my DME Stage 2 tune, I did not have them add in the extra burbles and crackles and pops. I didn't think the car needed that. It's a little boy racer. Thanks for the drive-by, my friend. I just love the way the car sounds. Love the way it feels. Turning is just amazing with this car. You can really feel the car transition and then the rear wheel steering kick in. And it's just amazeballs. It is truly a supercar. You know, Ferraris and Lamborghinis are great cars. This is an excellent alternative. You know, one thing that people don't know about this car is that when they built it to be a direct competitor for the Porsche 911. And in making it a competitor to the Porsche 911, they matched the line. So the base AMG GT is a base 911. The GTS is a Carrera S. The GTR is a 911 GT3. The GTR Pro would be a GT3 RS. And the GT Black Series is the equivalent of a GT2 RS. It mimics the line almost exactly. The car has a 47% front, 53% rear weight distribution, because again, it is a mid-engine front-mounted car. So it has incredible balance. As you can see, I'm not doing a lot here in terms of turning. The car just love the turn in. Not really pushing here, like I'm a little quiet because I'm focused and I want to make sure we kind of capture the sound, but really you don't have to be so worried about the car stepping out on you. But like, feel that turn in, just wow. This will conclude our drive for today, folks. Hope everyone enjoyed this quick drive with the AMG here on the mountain. It's a lot of fun for me. I appreciate him taking the time to let me come out and do these videos with him. This is my second one. We did my 911 Turbo first, my 2008. Go check that video out too.